The birds and the squirrels are really going at it. The birds are back in the trees to get berries, I think, and the squirrels probably the same. It's been windy all day. So snacking and sleeping in the trees hasn't been an easy thing. Not today. Oh, there's a bird. Oh. I think. Does that look like a blue jay or a lovebird? Oh. I'm not sure if it was a squirrel that jumped or they have nests up in that area too. Oh, I just saw a bee go through. I saw 2 sets of dragonflies. I have a citrus butterfly. Oh, well, straight beneath that tree is all the watering areas, the watering features. Yumi's inside, my Yumi cat boy. He's sleeping in my room, his room. He'll be out by dark. He'll want to go out and sleep in the kitchen where he can just eat and nap all night long until his soft food is gone. Facing the north, I'm watching the clouds really come out of the east. Occasionally there's a push from the north. It is beautiful. It's in the 70s. I have on pants and I'm sleeveless, but I'm getting ready to put on a long sleeve top or shirt or something. Oh, hawks are low. Could be why the blue jay took off or dropped to drink water. I think that was a hawk. It could have been a crow.